It's Monday, August 19th. My name is Rich, and this is your 5-Minute Fix. Welcome to the 5-Minute Fix, where we take stories about pretty much anything from pretty much anywhere and try to give it to you in 5 minutes or less today. Guys, first things first, love to see so much discourse on the last video. It is or can be a little bit of a, controversial topic there with the Olympics, the terrible breakdancing, and if, she should have been there, shouldn't have been there, should apologize, shouldn't apologize, things should get fixed or not. Who knows? All I'm saying, love to see the chats about it. Disney Plus terms prevent allergy death lawsuit. Disney says, yes, you heard that correctly. Disney claiming their Disney Plus terms of service prevents you from suing Disney in all aspects. Disney World is arguing a man cannot sue it over the death of his wife because the terms he signed up to in a free trial of Disney Plus. Jeffrey Piccolo filed a wrongful death lawsuit against Disney and the owners of a restaurant after his wife died in 2023 from a severe allergic reaction after eating at the theme park. However, Disney argues its terms of use, which Mr. Piccolo agreed to when creating his Disney account in 2019, means they have to settle out of court. Quote, "We are deeply saddened by the family's loss and understand their grief," Disney said in a statement. That is the biggest bunch of bullshit I think I've ever heard in my goddamn life. Deeply saddened. Ain't no way. Who you think you're convincing with that? Who do you think you're convincing? Quote, "Given that this restaurant is neither owned nor operated by Disney, we are merely defending ourselves against the plaintiff's attorney's attempt to include us in their lawsuit against the restaurant." The couple had dined at Raglan Road, an Ireland-themed pub located at Disney Springs, a part of the vast Walt Disney World complex in Orlando, Florida. Mr. Piccolo alleges that the restaurant did not take enough care over his wife's severe allergies to dairy and nuts, despite being repeatedly told about them. Dr. Kanokporn Tangsuen died in hospital later that day, the 5th of October 2023. According to the legal filing, her death was confirmed by medical examiner as a result of anaphylaxis due to elevated levels of dairy and nut in her system. God damn, they have both. They had motherfucking both up in there. That is crazy. Mr. Piccolo is suing Disney for a sum in excess of $50,000 plus legal fees. Disney wants the case in the courts to be halted and for the dispute to be resolved out of court in a process called arbitration. The entertainment company argues it cannot be taken to court because its terms of use. It says users agree to settle any disputes with the company via arbitration. It says Mr. Piccolo agreed to these terms of use when he signed up to a 1-month free trial of its streaming service Disney Plus in 2019. Disney adds that Mr. Piccolo accepted these terms again when using his Disney account to buy tickets for the theme park in 2023. Now, I don't know about the legal aspects of this, obviously, but to me, it feels like, just on the grounds of gross negligence, they could be held responsible. They say that the restaurant is not owned or operated by Disney, but it is on Disney grounds. So, I mean, with levels, you start at the top, then go down, I feel like is the best way to go about it. And also, man, it's 50K. You are Disney. This is 50K. What's wrong with you? 50K. This man could be suing for millions. No, it's 50K. Mr. Piccolo's lawyers call Disney's arguments preposterous and inane. Good choice of words there. They say Disney's case is based on the incredible argument that any person who signs up for a Disney Plus account, even free trials that are not extended beyond the trial period, will have forever waived the right to a jury trial. The argument that this can be extended to wrongful death or personal injury claims borders on the surreal, according to the legal filing. They also argue that Mr. Piccolo agreed to the Disney terms of use for himself, whereas he is now acting on behalf of his deceased wife, who never agreed to the terms. Good point. Disney is pushing the envelope of contract law, says Ernest Adua, partner at Stokoe Partnership Solicitors, who are not involved in the proceedings. Quote, "The courts will have to consider on balance if the arbitration clause in the contract for a streaming service can really be applied to a serious an allegation of wrongful death, though negligence at a theme park," he says. He adds, Disney's argument that accepting their terms and conditions for one product covers all interactions with that company is novel and potentially far-reaching. Yeah, I would definitely agree to that. Now, maybe they will have a case with the ticket purchase to the park, but trying to, go from the Disney Plus side of it, that seems rather, like it says, a stretch to me anyways. Jimbril Trambu, barrister at Church Court Chambers, says that terms in the Disney Plus trial are a weak argument for Disney to rely on. However, he says the clause in the ticket purchase from 2023 may be a stronger case, as there is a similar arbitration clause. Yeah, I feel like that would make the most sense. Now, I gotta believe that, Disney's lawyers aren't rookies by any means, and, maybe they presented the Disney Plus case first, and then will go on to present the ticket purchase. But again, he is representing his deceased wife. She didn't, I'm assuming, purchase the tickets or sign up for Disney Plus, so we'll have to see where this one goes. Now, is this going to prevent you from maybe signing up for Disney Plus? Maybe other streaming services that have similar clauses, or even visiting Disney at all? Let me know down in the comments below. Thank you for watching. My name is Rich. This has been your 5 Minute Fix.